Meanwhile, President Aquino revealed at least 2 copies of the alleged Napoles lists. He said the contents did not match. The president also admitted that some of his allies were included in the list. More from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino says he has seen 2 to 3 Napoles lists with the names of those allegedly participated in the pork barrel scam. In an interview with media in Myanmar, the president admitted receiving the first list even before Justice Secretary Laila De Lima met with Napoles at Hospital ng Makati. De Lima obtained the 2 copies for evaluation.
I've seen 2, and they don't agree with each other exactly. And they're both supposed to have come from Ms. Napoles. Now, Senator Lacson was telling me of another list given to him by relatives of Ms. Napoles. No? And again, there's a substantial detail there that doesn't again agree with the other 2. So when you ask me, did you see a list? I think the best answer is I've seen physically 2 lists, and I'm told that there's a 3rd list.
President Aquino doubts that instead of clarifying Janet Lim Napoles may be issue, the president admitted the list contains some administration allies and non-allies.
Pero in-allege. Maraming hindi. Pero alam nyo kasi parang, pag sinabi ko may discrepancy, yung number, nagpa-fluctuate eh. Yung unang list na pinadala sa akin, X number, sabihin natin. No? Yung next list na nakita ko, -3. Tapos yung binabanggit sa akin, parang +4. O di ba? Parang, hindi ba meron ganong phrase na marami? Ano ba talaga, ate? Kasi you're not talking 1 peso or 2 pesos here, eh, di ba? You're talking about millions in transactions allegedly. And how can you keep on changing who your co-conspirators were? And how do you... Tapos, syempre, remind ko lahat ng involved. Pararamihan ng facts dyan. Check mo ba bawat isa? By the time na lahat ng dead end, karoon ng dead end lahat yan. No? At yung tagala ka ng, binawasan ka ng oras para mapuntahan yung talaga may patutunguhan. Tatapon na karoon ng detalye. Kinonfuse yung buong issue. By the time ready ka, tapos na yung 2 years namin natitira.
The president said he was taken aback by the changing of the numbers of Napoles co-conspirators in the alleged misuse of the PDAF. The president stressed that he does not want to talk to Napoles. He said Napoles should instead talk to lawyers that would evaluate her evidence.
Pre-conscious tayo na yun, baka ganun yung objective. Pero I was really taken aback by that changing of numbers. That seems to be such a very principal and material fact. And baka naman follow up doon, will I ask her why she changed? And I don't want to talk to her. No, she can talk to the people who will be in a position to evaluate her evidence. And that means primarily lawyers.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Nipido, Myanmar.